guys, good morning! Good morning guys! It's a Sunday morning, a blessed Sunday everyone! Good morning! I'm at the boulevard. I'm at the beach. Yeah, it's a nice view guys. I'm just by my solo. My husband is not here. He actually in vacation right now. So yeah, it's been almost 2 months now guys. Yeah, it's a nice view. I'm just driving a quick drive here at the boulevard, and I really wanted to supposed to have a walking exercise or jogging, but I woke up late, so yeah. Oh, it's a nice view guys. On this spot, not really what I mean is, it's not really super crowded or not much on people doing the jogging, but on that side at the center, there's a lot of people there having a breakfast, having a swimming. So yeah, so it's still summer here guys. Still summer in the Philippines. Still hot. I use the bike of my husband. So yeah guys, have a blessed Sunday everyone, and love love love. Okay, bye for now guys. See you on the next one. Please like and subscribe guys if you haven't yet. Please visit our channel, Ars and Donna Amazing Journey in the Philippines. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.